Hi, and welcome to Heart of the Woods Hypnotherapy. This recording is for relaxation only. Please listen somewhere safe, not while driving or operating heavy machinery. Go ahead and begin to settle in, relaxing and releasing. If you've landed here because your mind is racing, running at full speed, even though your body is ready to rest, you're in exactly the right place. This is a short hypnotherapy wind down. It's about 10 minutes. And you don't need any experience with hypnotherapy. You don't need to do anything perfectly. All you need to do is get comfortable and let yourself follow along. So take a deep breath in and close your eyes all the way down. One more time, taking a deep breath in and an easy, unhurried exhale. Good. Just let your breathing find its natural rhythm now. Notice the weight of your body wherever you're resting. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you, holding you. You don't need to hold yourself up right now. You can just let go of that. Bring your attention to your feet and ankles. Just notice them. And as you exhale, let them soften. Let go of any tension you've been holding on to. And that softening moves up through your calves, knees, thighs, like a wave of ease, moving slowly upward. Your hips and lower back letting go. Your belly releasing with each breath. Your chest rising and falling, easy and open. Shoulders dropping away from your ears. Your arms heavy and still. Your hands relaxed. Your jaw loosening. The space behind your eyes grows soft. Your forehead smooth and quiet. You are here. You are safe. And for the next few minutes, there's nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to do. I want you to imagine now that you're standing at the edge of a beautiful forest in your mind's eye, even if you can't see it perfectly. Maybe you just sense it, or maybe you hear it. Imagine you're at the edge of a safe forest, just as the evening is settling in. The last light of day is filtering through the branches above you, warm and golden and quiet. The air here is cool and clean, perfect temperature. You can feel it on your skin. You can smell the earth, the leaves, the pine. And there's a path leading gently into the trees. With each step you take along this path, you feel yourself relaxing more deeply, arriving into stillness. Step by step, deeper into the quiet of the forest. The sounds of the day falling away behind you, your thoughts just slowing down, like leaves drifting down to rest on still water. With every breath, you go a little deeper, calmer, more at ease. And I wonder just how relaxed you can allow yourself to become. And here in this quiet place, you can let go. Now, go ahead and imagine here in this peaceful place, you can signal to your mind that it is time to rest. Your mind has been working hard. It's been thinking and planning and solving and worrying, and it has done its job. You don't need to wrestle with your thoughts tonight. You can simply just let them down. The way you set something down heavy you've been carrying all day, right here on the forest floor. They'll be there if you need them, but right now you don't. Sleep is simple in this space. Your mind and body feeling safe enough to receive it. Your nervous system is settling. Your heartbeat is steady. Your body knows exactly how to move into rest. It's done it time and time again. You're just simply allowing it to happen now. With every breath, you move a little closer to sleep. Just allowing. The forest holds you here. The trees stand quiet around you. Earth beneath you is steady and solid. Any thoughts that drift through, you can just let them pass. They move through, and you remain still and soft and safe. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to let go. And as I count down slowly from 5 to 1, feel yourself moving even more gently into rest. 5, sinking deeper into ease. 4, your body growing more and more comfortable. 3, your mind quieting like the forest at night. Imagine that forest now, keeping you safe, standing by so that you can rest. Maybe imagining the stars coming out, seeing all the beautiful constellations shining bright, watching above. 2, drifting now so naturally, so easily. And 1, rest. You can stay here as long as you like. Let this recording end and simply drift off into sleep. If you'd like more sessions like this one, Heart of the Woods channel is here for you. Sweet dreams.